Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the fundamental concepts of Flutter development, stateful and stateless. So, let's get started. Firstly, we need to know what is widget. A widget is the basic building block of user interface. Everything we see on the screen of Flutter app is a widget. There are two types of widget as stateful and stateless. Stateless widget is a widget which cannot change its state. Simply means they cannot change their value. They are immutable. Stateful widget are the widget that can change its value and are mutable. Their value changes during lifecycle of widget. Now, let's go and check both with the code. I have created a new project with name demo stateful stateless and create new Dart file with name stateless widget. Create new class stateless with name stateless demo. This class extends stateless widget class. This stateless widget class is main widget of our screen. Next is stateful widget. Let's create a new Dart file and name it as Stateful Widget. I created a new class Stateful Widget demo and extended with Stateful Widget class. This Stateful Widget class will allow its child elements or widget to update its UI.